To change the battery of a Flic 2, the easiest way is to remove the protective sticker from the back and stick it to a flat surface. Then you want to twist the top part from the back part by twisting the top to the left until you hear a click. Place a new CR2032 coin battery and make sure the small metal piece goes over the battery to hold it in place. You will see that the bottom of the Flic has 3 hinges, and so does the top. Place the Flic back on the bottom, slightly slanted towards the left in the same position you took it. Then turn the Flic to the right until you hear it click. Your Flic is now ready to use again. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us at flic.io